Everyone, it's fine.
Yeah, fine, Ravi.
Okay, so but why here? Same things I'm returning here also, right? Why it's not working now here?
Try giving the page name.
Yeah, that is the secondary thing, Sudhir. Okay, but this one also should work here.
Yes, yes, I understand. Yes.
Because see this here, it's working. Why it's not working here? That is the problem.
Yeah,
Right?
there it is working. Correct.
So same things only here also we are applying, right?
Yeah, but there you have mentioned path, no? Here you have not mentioned path.
Where no, why I here because of that here if condition I
Okay.
took, right? Condition, if the condition is going good, right? Then what will happen now? Here we will get this one. Then this what logical name will store in this path. If this condition will
Okay,
become what,
okay.
so this one will store here, and then we are returning that. Okay? So because of that condition,
Okay.
because of that I take the path. We can take this variable in different terms.
Okay.
What about others? Only 7 members join. Okay, leave it. Okay, so why it's not working here? Okay, let's check one more time. Okay, then we will think about it. Why this one is coming now? I don't know. Okay, no issue. What we will do now? Come here. Okay, we will check later, guys. Okay, that problem we will check later, na?
Yeah, okay.
So it is right. We have need to show the product data, right? Product data.
Yeah, product data. Yeah, product data.
Guys, this is the project, right?
Product controller. You have to go.
This is the project we will face the challenges. Okay, we will face the challenges in the project at the development time of project, right? Here we are not learning the concept, here we are developing the project. We will stuck also, we will sometime our brain will not work. Then we have need to what resolve this issue, we have need to come out from these things. Okay, so this only, right? Because whenever you will face the interview, in the interviewer will ask which kind of challenges you are facing in the project, like that they will ask. Okay, and that only if you are saying that yeah, I'm not facing any challenge, the
Ravi,
yes.
can you go to prod.html page? There you can see the form. You have given URL for save instead of update. Product.edit.html.
Oh, good. Very good.
Yeah, product edit. Yeah,
Yes, very nice.
let go. Yeah.
Oh, it's sorry, it's my mistake. It's not updating, right, guys? It's taking, what is that? This method is not calling. Who is that fellow, right? Who is that? Please, like.
That's why I'm telling previous one.
Yeah.
Yes,
I
Something
am
we
also
need to do in
telling.
product HTML, but we don't know where to do it.
good.
Starting I have said. Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. In the starting, I have told to you.
No,
Save to
no.
update change.
That's good only, Satish. But at that time, when you told, right, at the time, we don't have need for this one. We don't have need. When its need came, whenever we will click on this, what is that update button then? But at the time, I forgot it. At the time, I forgot, right?
Yeah.
So,
After you have missing the, I have also between have told you.
yes, yes, it's okay, okay, okay.
Okay, no issue, no issue, Ravi, no issue.
Yes, yes. Come to product. Now this method will call, because you know in the save, right, where in the save also what the save update same method we want save method only what updating concept is doing also, as well as what saving both concept the same with the single method only we are doing, right? Here also we wrote the same logic in the service, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so now here it will work, guys. Okay, now in this time it will work. Good observation, man. Okay, see this is small, because of a small right mistake we are getting the wrong things now. Everyone,
Sometimes
Yes,
we,
Ravi, sometimes.
we overlook something.
yes, no, guys. Actually, you know, whenever we will speak 3 to 4 hours continuously, our mind, so sometime our mind also will not.
Otherwise, next week we continue.
So okay, no issue, no issue. Okay, now see this. Okay, now click on that. Here, what I'm going to do now, mobile.
Hello?
Yes, yes. Yeah, yes, Padma. Now I'm audible. Everyone, hey, don't become silent, guys. Please unmute yourself and talk. Hello.
Yeah, Ravi, voice got broken.
Voice is breaking.
Okay,
Yeah.
so now.
Ravi, if you are tired, we will see in the next week, Ravi. No, next class.
Okay.
No,
No, Padma. Tomorrow also, if we become lazy, not tomorrow also our project will not complete, because I have need to implement so many things in this project. Okay.
I'm not lazy, Ravi, because you work for 5 days continuously again.
So okay, no issue. Okay. So now everything is good, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Okay.
Ravi, good.
Yes, Ravi.
So here what now see this cost is what 20 and what selected RK, and here take this one create, right? Now select the art, click in the edit button. After then what update it. We are getting the what product page, right? 1 minute. So here what a GST is not coming after updation. Okay, I forget it, guys. Okay, GST field I forgot. GST field I forgot it. Okay.
Product edit page.
Sorry. No need. Okay, still I have need to modify it, guys. Okay, later I will modify it now. GST we will take the same method, because we will call the same method only, save in the service class. Okay, don't bother about that one. Okay, till now okay, construction is going on. Okay, we will later I will change it. That modification is there, because of that we are getting. Okay, now currently think about that this is the bug in our application, right? Just currently think about that this is the bug. Okay, don't bother about this area.
Yes, Ravi.
In the updation, don't think about that. Okay, later I will change it. Okay, so okay, guys, so till now see like what delete
Now it's working. We
delete
got all the page.
yeah, delete is working now. After deleting now, see here record also we are getting one record. See this one. Okay, view all this, everything is working right, perfect now, guys. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so good. Okay, so fine. So now see this record is coming. Now this is the small mini project construction, like what one CURD operation. Based on the CURD operation, what we completed one mini project now, guys. Okay, so let's implement. So what we will do now, let's little bit beautify our this page now, guys. Okay, so using what Bootstrap. Okay, so just beautification we will complete it, and what we will do now, we will stop the session now, guys. Are you ready?
Yes, Ravi, ready.
Yes, sir. We are ready.
Okay.
Okay, so first what we will do now, first one, which form? Let's beautify this form first, okay? First we will beautify this form, then still exception handling in the project, how we will handle the exception, guys. That one, that concept also is still left, okay? So tomorrow in the night, you people, just my humble request to you people, custom exception is there, right, in the core Java.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
yeah,
Just
we will take a look.
yeah, just go through that, okay? Just go through that. After then what we will implement, right? We will implement what tomorrow we will implement custom exception, pagination, ajax call. These things we will implement in this project, right?
Yes.
Sure, Ravi.
Okay, guys. So now,
Hello.
yeah, hello, I'm audible.
Yes, sir. You're
It's
audible.
Okay, so where the product registration? Okay, so come to our browser. This is the right. Okay, so good. So now open the, guys. So it's bootstrap 4. Okay, bootstrap 4. Copy this what CSS. Okay, copy this one and come to our application now. Okay, so go to header part is there, right? This is the header part, right? Inside that, and what we will do now? Yeah, from here onward delete it. No need these things. These things we have need to delete it, guys. Okay, now this is the, we have need to import what is that CSS, a bootstrap, our bootstrap, right, in our application now, guys. So good. So next what we will do now? Okay, so guys, learn the bootstrap. This is the W3 school only, right? W3 school only. From there only I learned the things. Okay, guys. So the one screen, right? One screen divided into 12 cell, guys. Okay, this total screen will divide it into 12 cell, right? 12 cell. Okay, so based on that one only I'm going to perform the operation now, guys. Okay, so okay, so W3 school is there, right? So I remember those things, but you know, the based on what is that? See, this container is there, call is there, right? 4 means what? 4 size it will take. It will divide into 12 cell. 12 cell only, right? So don't worry. So just I will explain it, right? So here what we will do now? So container, right? First what we will do now? We will create the container class, right? Container class. Okay. Inside that we will create the rows. So 1 minute. So here the code is there, right? So product is there, right? So inside that what we will do now? Let's come here. Okay. So here what I'm taking, what one div tag I'm taking, right? Div tag I'm dividing our screen, right? So one div I'm taking, right? Inside that I'm taking class. Inside that what I'm taking, container, right? Container. Good means what? total in the container, what we will do now, we will divide this screen, right? This total screen we will
One
divide. Yeah, so that is nothing but what? One container now, guys. Okay, so inside that container, what is that?
One box.
Yes, again div. We will take one div inside that what? Class. Let's take the class, and what we will take now? Card we will take. One card we will take it, guys. Okay, we will take one card. Okay, so card header will be there, and what is that? Card body is there, and what? Card footer is there, right? Okay, good. So here what we will take now? Another div. I'm taking one div inside the class. I'm taking what? Card header. Card header, right? Card header. Okay, card header. Inside that card header, 1 minute. Card header. Again, one more div. Let's take. Okay, div class. Okay, so here one more again class. I'm taking class card body. Body. Another I'm taking class card footer, right? Another div class card footer. Card footer. Okay, good. So fine now, guys. So okay, so what I'm going to do now? This one, right? This heading one. Okay, so this heading one, what I'm going to do now? Let's take here. Let's take inside this one. Okay, in this div tag. Okay, good. No, so come here. Okay, come to our browser now. Okay, just refresh it. You will see the changes. See this, guys, product register page scheme, right? Like this one container. This is nothing but what? One container. Don't worry, I will show that. Okay, this is one, nothing but what? One container. You people are seeing that the difference now, guys? Come on.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay, so now whatever things I'm going to do now, guys, everything I will show it now. Okay, so here what is our what next card header? But what is that? I want the background color of what? Different. Product registration page is there. I want this product registration page background different. So for that we will take what? Here inside that only, right? Inside this one, what we will take now? BG hyphen what? Primary. I want the primary.
Color.
So now just refresh it. See this, that it in color is changed, right? Give the response, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah, got it.
I'm explaining for you people only. Okay, give the response.
Now it is getting excited because styles, everything changes in front of us, right?
Yes. So there,
Yeah.
are you there? Okay, no issue. Okay, Padma.
He
So
is there.
okay, so here what product page is there now? Come here. Okay, so I want to change the text also. Text hyphen white. I want the text color as what? White. Now come here and now refresh it. See the text color is changed, right?
Got it.
Okay. No, I want what this text in the center. Okay. I want this text in the center.
Center.
Okay. Then what is that text hyphen? What is that? CENTER center. Now
CNTR.
now refresh it. We got the text in the center, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
How
And
we are
see
getting
that
that name,
good stuff.
code, everything?
Sorry. Sorry.
No. In this page, you have nowhere written the name, vendor, product ID, but we are getting no on the page.
No, I see in the down this one.
Okay.
I will
Sorry.
use it.
Okay.
I will just
Fine. Okay.
I'm modifying this same code only. Don't worry about that. This code, these things is there down.
Okay. I did not see this code. It went down. Okay.
Yes. So
One by one, he is getting that
one by one,
into that bootstrap. mode.
just I want to show you people. If I do the front of you only, right, then you people will catch if directly. If I do that, then after ending, the doubt will be there. I don't want to create any doubt to
Correct,
inside
correct.
you people. Because of that, I'm doing that and I'm showing the things front of you.
Yeah, one by one, step wise. It's
Yes,
good,
right.
yeah.
So whatever things I'm doing, see that I'm showing to you people front of you. Okay, see this, we are getting this result now. Like that, I'm explaining you guys. Okay,
Yes.
so good guys. So this is the header part, right? In the card, what in the header part, what we did now? What we did now? See this guys, see this. This is the header portion. This is the body portion, and what? This is the footer portion.
Footer portion.
And this is the total. This is the total one is what? One container. Got it?
One container. Okay.
Come on.
Now in the body place, we can put this
Yes,
name
well,
inputs, right?
Why I take the
Yes, sir.
container?
Okay,
Why I take the container means what is that? One container. If we take the container, right, then what? This is the total one container. Inside this container, I'm going to write everything now, guys. This is the
Ravi,
one.
if you take the
this is the one.
container, it should not spread the entire page, right?
Yeah, no, based on that, because this entire page is what divided into what 12 cell inside.
12 grids.
Yeah, 12 grids, right? So in the container, our container is divided into 12 grids, right? So means here
Yes,
what here we can make this page as a responsive page also, right? You know that responsive meaning? We can open in the mobile also, the page will open in the
yes, Ravi.
same, and what in the computer also the same, right?
It fits that particular window.
Yes. So now the things is good, right?
Yes, Ravi, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, very good.
Now we're getting more excited.
Okay, so now let's work on what body part, right? Let's work on the body part of area, guys. Okay. So okay, fine now, guys. So inside that, what I'm going to do now? Inside that, what I'm going to do now? So inside that, I'm just going to copy it from here, form to form. I'm copying this one and I'm pasting inside this body part. Okay, still I will do the changes, don't worry. Okay, so here whatever data is there, we will get inside the container now. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Give
Ravi,
Ravi.
nice, yes.
Give response, guys. Okay, I'm doing for you.
Yes.
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 Excellent, Ravi. Excellent.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yeah. Satish now he.
Yes, Ravi. I have joined actually. In my side network is heavy and is going.
Okay, no issue.
Yeah.
So fine now, guys. So okay, so one row, right? One row means what I said that this container is divided into 12 card, right? 12 card. Okay, everyone.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, 12 bricks.
Yes, sir.
Ravi, we can say that also your tiles concept, right?
Sorry.
We can say that here tiles concept, tiles.
Tiles, what we are talking about the tiles here. What is the use of tiles, man? No need. Okay, tiles means what? For the if we want, what is that? The tiles in the spring we are using. And this is what this concept is what related to boots. Don't think about that tiles.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay, so here what name code is there, right? So here what I'm going to do now, I'm going to these things. Okay, this area I want to what modify it, guys. Okay, so now come here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, here I'm removing the pre tag. Okay, here I'm removing the pre tag now. Okay, good. Okay, good. So what I'm going to do now, after that form, right? After then form, what I'm going to do now, after then div tag, right? So inside that form, okay, here, come here, okay, come here. Here, what I'm going to do now, here I'm again taking div one, I'm dividing the screen now. Okay, div tag, I'm taking one div tag. Okay, inside that div tag, what I'm going to do now, I'm taking the class equal to row, right? Means what? I'm taking one row on the screen, right? This row, right? So this row, one row I'm taking, guys. Okay, one row. This is the total one row, right? One row. Okay, this row will divide into 12 card. Okay, this row will divide into 12 card. Okay, like this. So means what? Okay, I taken one row. After then what I'm going to do now? I divided into 12. It will our what? Our bootstrap will divide this screen in the 12 part. So from that I want to use what is that? For the name purpose, I want to use the two card, and what after then what this area, right? This input is there. For that this input I'm going to use this two cards. So for that I'm taking what is that row. So for that I'm taking what row now, guys. Okay, so here again come here inside this row I'm going to take what is that. Again I'm going to take what is that. Okay, so inside that again I'm going to take what is that div. Again I'm taking one more div. Okay, so here what I'm going to take now, class. Okay, class equal to what? Call hyphen 2. Okay, two column I need. Okay, two column I need it. Okay, so inside that two column what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take what? One label I want. Okay, what is the label? Our label will be now, our label will be code name. Okay, our label will be code name. Copy this one and paste this code label. Okay, so now this one is completed now. So okay, good. Okay, so this one, yeah, this one here. Come again, take one div. After
We
then
can
what?
take column 1 also, right? Column 1 also. we
Yeah,
can
you can take the column one also, but here I want to two spaces for what this name. Okay, because of that I will show that. Don't worry, everything I will, whatever your doubt is there I will clarify. Please give me the time. Class, here I'm taking what? Call. Here for that call I'm taking what? How much call span I'm taking now? Here for that I'm taking call 6. I'm taking what?
Okay.
Call 6. Okay, so inside that what I'm going to take now? What I'm going to take now? This input I will take inside this one. Okay, now come to our browser, just refresh it. Okay, see this. Another, don't bother about another things, guys. Okay, don't bother about the area. I will still, the things is we have need to do it. Just think about this one only, right? Just think about this one. See, name, after then this much space is there, right? This much space is there now.
Yes, sir.
This space is there because of that. Why is this
Yes,
much
sir.
space? Because I took what? Call span 2. So if you want to reduce this space, just come here and call, right? Call. You said the right to the take one. I'm taking one. Now I'm saving.
One. Okay.
Observe this. Just I'm going to refresh it. Observe this space. You seen that?
Yes, Ravi, it reduced.
Mm.
Okay.
Reduce.
Got it. Yes, yes.
If you
Yes,
want,
sir, we reduce.
I want to, what is that? Give the much spaces about that. What name to what this input field. Because of that, I taken. Got
Yeah,
it?
I understand. Ravi.
Understood.
Yes, yes. Very neat. Very nice.
Good. Okay. So now same things. Okay. What we will do now? Same things. Just what? Just from here to here. Copy it, right? Copy it and come here and paste it here only, right? Paste it. And what we will do now? For the code also, right? Code. This is the code, right? Copy this one. For the name is there. No? Just what? Take the code here. Take the code and what? This code input. What is the code input? Copy this one. And remove this one. Okay, just place this one. Now come to browser and just refresh this two things. This came in the same format or not? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Correct.
Mm.
Yes. Alignment.
Yes, Ravi, yes.
Okay, so now again what you have to do now? Copy the same things and paste it, right? And here what we will do now? Code is there, right? Copy this one.
Vendor. Cost.
Sorry. Product code we completed, right? So now product cost is
Yeah. Now cost is pending. Yeah. Cost.
paste it. And here what we will do now? Just Copy this one. And just paste it. Now come to browser. Just refresh it. See this? P is came in the same format, right?
Yes, yes. Right, nice.
Now come here. Here what vendor. Now come to browser. Just refresh it. See that? Select block. Now come to browser now, guys. Just refresh it. See this?
Yes, Ravi.
Very nice,
Brother,
Ravi.
it is looking good now.
Okay. Okay. So now still create button is there, right? Create button is there, na? Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
yes. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For that we have need to change the color also. So that please mute yourself, man. Don't make me irritate. Sunil, what are you doing, man? Okay. So now create button is there, right? So what we will do now, come to our application. So this input is there, right? This input is there. Inside that, what we will take? One class. We will take class btn. After then what? Btn hyphen what? Success. Now come to our browser now. See the button color now, guys.
Yes, sir. Now looking a little bit beautiful.
Okay, guys.
Yes, Ravi, real thing, Ravi,
Yeah.
real.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So now this footer. Let's work on this footer area. Okay. Let's work on what? This.
Okay.
Let's work on this footer area. So okay. So footer will be like what? In the footer what? What kind of things we can take in the footer area? The click create button is there. Footer area. Footer area. Which kind of operation we can perform it, guys? I will think in this area. What is that? Okay. So this view is there, no? Let's take this one only. Let's take this one only, guys. Okay. Let's take this one only. So come here. Come in the coding, right? So card footer already we have. Okay. Card footer is there. Okay. So yeah, in this area, what we will take now? So already this message is there, right?
Go on.
This message,
Go
right?
on.
So, yeah, no, this message is there, right? Now take this message in the footer area, right? Footer inside this, what we will do now? Inside this, let's take this one. This message we will get inside this one. And after then what? Let's take class class and what? Class. We will take the class. After then what we can. Okay, whatever text we will get, right? Whatever message we will get, then that we will get a green color. Okay. So for that, what we will take? Text,
Yeah,
text
text color.
success, right? Text success. We will take the success now. We will get the information. Whatever information we will get, that information we will take as what? We will take as what? Success only. After then one.
Success.
Yeah. Okay, good. So after then one more. This is the link also, right? This link also, let's take. This link, right? This link also in the footer part only. So here what we will take it now. So here, let's take here. Okay. So here I'm taking this one and inside this one, okay. In the this one, what I'm going to take one class. Let's take one class again. Class equal to what? Class equal to what? BTN, right? And BTN hyphen info, info, right? Now come to browser now. Which color? This is the view, right? So now just I'm refreshing now. See here we get what? View all, right? View all button, and here we will get the message.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, here we will get the message now, guys. Okay, so you want to see this? Okay, so now what I'm going to mobile, and here just take this one, and here 20, here what? Oracle something. Now create it. See this information we are getting, right? Data with the colorful manner, right?
Nice.
Now you want this in message here, right? In middle, right? So what we will do now? Come here, and what? In the take the text hyphen center. Now come to our browser now. Just refresh it. Not coming, right? No, it's not coming. Any spelling mistake? No, right? Right. Okay, leave it. So now see this page is look like little bit good compared to previous or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Ravi, definitely.
Yes, different, totally different.
Hmm?
Yeah. Now it's looking perfect. sir.
Totally different, Ravi. Real thing.
So okay, good guys.
Like in professional way. Yeah.
Okay, so next
Ravi,
one.
how?
Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sorry.
Please continue.
Something you are saying.
I will talk to you. Yeah, I will talk to you later. Okay, no issue. Go
No
ahead.
issue. Just tell. No issue. What is that? Okay, because
I am asking how to recollect all these things.
everything is experience, man. In my life, just study only there. Except that I'm not doing any extra work. You can understand, just my family.
Yes, Ravi, that's why. Yeah,
My family people
very.
are not forcing me to do another work. See that I'm there in my home, and my family people is like no one is scolding. Also, just whatever you want, you have to do it, but don't do wrong things. That yes.
Yeah. Really good, Ravi. Really good.
What about others? Everyone is silent now.
Yes, Ravi, right. The remaining 2 pages we will practice, Ravi.
Remaining 2 pages. So
I
yes.
edit page and all those
Yeah,
things.
Yes,
edit
Ravi,
page
we
and
will do that.
we will practice.
We'll do that. sir.
If you have any other concepts, you please explain that one.
Yeah, it's so many concepts is there. Don't worry about that. So let's do one thing. Okay, data page is there. Is small correction we need inside this one. We don't have need much correct here. Okay. So if you read it, then we will beautify this page. Then we will stop the session now. If you
Yes,
read.
Ravi, no issue. Please continue.
Shall I? Come on, give the response others. What about others now?
No, no problem, Ravi. We will practice this one. We will
Yeah,
also do that.
no Ravi, please continue.
Shall I continue? Shall I stop it now?
Continue Ravi.
No,
Small
con-
change, what
conti-
is that small change?
Continue, Ravi.
This is
What
the-
I am saying is
Uh-huh.
same things we will practice. I am saying continue the class. I am saying about the
Okay.
bootstrap only.
So let's beautify our this page, right? This page, okay, guys.
Okay.